Snowflakes and welcome to this video. So in this video I'm sharing with you some DIY Christmas gifts that are easy and cheap. So the first idea is DIY gift baskets. And I went to the dollar store and you wouldn't believe the most amazing stuff you could find at the dollar store and create an amazing basket that somebody would love for Christmas. You could put movies in it, their favorite candy, their favorite lotion. I did 2 of these and I ended up using these for my husband's parents for Christmas. I made one for the mom and one for his dad, and they ended up loving these. So you can personalize them as much as you want, and they are just such a cute idea. They didn't break the bank, which is always nice. The next idea is a unique snow globe. So this is a take on kind of a normal snow globe, but I decided to make the snow globe in a candle holder, and I got this candle holder at Michael's. And they were super cheap. I think there was like 2 of them for $5 or something. And I'm just using a regular mason jar and I'm filling it up with fake snow. And then I found these little statues of Santa and carolers, and they were at the Dollar Tree. I couldn't believe it. And then I also added some really cute trees with snow on it, and I just hot glued them in there. And they are so cute. It's a different take on a regular snow globe. Like, you don't need water. It's like a little snow scene in the mason jar. It's so cute. This one you totally can use as decor, but you can also give it as a gift too. And you can even give it as a gift with like cookies or something on it, or you can wrap a bow around it. I mean, there's so many different ideas. So I ended up making 2 of these. One was like a Santa theme, and another one was like a caroler singing theme. And they were both super cute. I'm just a huge fan of snow globes anyway, so I just love anything that is snow globed themed. My next idea is DIY jewelry, and you can find all kinds of findings at Michael's, and with those findings you could put them on hair clips or rings, or you can make a bracelet. Today I'm going to be making some earrings, so I'm pulling out some earring findings, and I also bought these really pretty feathers, and I'm just going to attach them on there using a jump ring and a pair of pliers that are meant for jewelry. And you can have a really cute, inexpensive gift in like less than 5 minutes. And I really love these earrings. I'm a fan of angel wings anyway, so I really love these earrings. But it's so cute to just make jewelry for people. I just think it makes a great gift. My past DIY Christmas gifts videos in the card section, but a few years ago I made these bracelets, and I will have those in the card section if you want to make those. My last DIY gift idea is a photo collage, and my photo collage I made this year for somebody is a scrapbook, and this only cost me $10 to print out all the pictures. I did it online, no big deal, and it turned into this amazing heartfelt gift. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a like if you did, and I'll see you in the next Christmas video and vlog soon. Bye!